Everyone thinks the best-selling rosin press is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Dulytek Violin Rosin. First up is the Dulytek Violin Rosin, priced at just $5.99. I was really drawn to its all-natural composition and the fact that it's a bestseller with a solid 4.6-star rating from over 11,300 reviews. If you want premium rosin performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So, why should this matter to you? Well, Dudyltek's rosin is made with natural ingredients that enhance sound quality, which means better playability for your instrument. The easy grip design is fantastic for students who might struggle with traditional rosin. Plus, it fits neatly into your instrument case, taking up minimal space. With such high ratings, you know you're getting something that many trust. Now, some might complain that it's too basic compared to higher-end options. Here's the thing, though. If you're a beginner or looking for reliable everyday rosin, this is a fantastic choice that won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you're a student or just starting out. Skip this one if you're a professional violinist looking for something more specialized. Honestly, for under $6, it's hard to beat this value. Now, if you're looking for something more heavy-duty, this next product might actually be even better for those needing extra pressure. Product number 2, Vever Arbor Press. Next, we have the Vever Arbor Press, available for $61.90. What caught my attention was its ability to deliver a ton of pressure, making it suitable for various small processing tasks. If you need something that provides precise control without the hefty price tag, this is definitely worth considering. So let's talk features. With a maximum working stroke of 5.9 inches, it's perfect for tasks like stamping or forming materials. The included molds let you easily tackle different jobs too. The labor-saving lever means less effort on your part, which is a game-saver during those long sessions. Plus, it's built to last with high-strength cast iron, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear. However, some users mention it could be a bit heavy at 23 pounds. Now, I get that it's not the lightest option out there, but if you're serious about your craft, that weight translates to stability during use. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with materials that need precise pressure application. Skip this one if you need something portable and ultra lightweight. Honestly, for the price, this press is a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something more compact, let's check out the next one. Product number 3, 2x4-inch pre-press mold. Now let's look at the Dulytek 2x4-inch pre-press mold, priced at $32.99. I was impressed by its high-quality aluminum construction and the fact that it boasts a 4.3-star rating from 335 reviews. If you're aiming for a seamless puck pressing experience, this is worth your attention. Why does it stand out? The anodized aluminum ensures that you won't have to worry about getting stuck during usage, which could be a real hassle. It's designed to create pucks that fit perfectly with 3x5 plate kits, making it a popular choice for many users. The 6061 aluminum material means it's built to last and environmentally friendly. Plus, it's compact enough to store easily. That said, some users noted that it may not work with all filter bag sizes. But here's the thing. If you're using the recommended sizes, you'll find it performs beautifully without any issues. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mold for your pressing needs. Skip this one if you're using larger filter bags. Honestly, for the price and performance, it's a solid piece of equipment. Now, if you're looking for something a little more powerful, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, 5-ton portable hydraulic heat press. Moving on, we have the D9 A91 5-ton portable hydraulic heat press, priced at $195. This caught my eye with its dual heating plates and a solid 4.0-star rating from 100 reviews. If you're serious about heat pressing and need something reliable, this one should definitely be on your radar. So what makes this press stand out? For starters, it can withstand up to 5 tons of force, making it perfect for heavier materials. The double heating plates ensure even temperature distribution, which is crucial for consistent results. Plus, the smart LCD screen displays the temperature accurately, and the digital timer helps you manage your pressing time effectively. However, some users mention it could be a bit bulky. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're tight on space, that might be a concern. But for its power and features, the size is a trade-off that many will find worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful heat press for serious projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact for occasional use. Honestly, with its capabilities, it delivers great value for the price. Finally, let's wrap up with a great option for precision mold pressing. Product number 5, Dulytek 2 by 4-inch pre-press mold. Lastly, we have the Dulytek 2 by 4-inch pre-press mold, available for $31.99. I found its hard anodizing technology really impressive, and it also boasts a 4.3-star rating from 130 reviews. If you want a mold that won't stick during use, this is a solid choice to consider. Why is this important? The smaller gap between the mold and RAM means you get a smoother pressing experience, which is something many users struggle with. Made from high-quality 6061 aluminum, it's durable and environmentally friendly. Plus, it's designed for creating pucks that fit the standard size, making it versatile for most setups. However, a few users mentioned that it might not handle larger quantities well. Here's the thing, though, if you're working with smaller batches, this mold excels and performs like a champ. This is perfect for you if you're into precise puck creation. Skip this one if you regularly need to press large quantities. Honestly, it's a great value for the performance it offers. So, to sum it up, we've got the D'Addario Violin Rosin for beginners, the Vever Arbor Press for precision tasks, the Dulytek and Dulytek molds for puck pressing, and the D991 heat press for serious projects. Each has unique strengths and weaknesses, so depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a solid option here for you.